In this video, you will see the process for creating stencils with UltraPeel and R-Series mask material. UltraPeel comes in two thicknesses, 3.5mm and 5mm. R-Series comes in three thicknesses, 3mm, 4mm, and 5mm. The first step for any photoresist is creating your artwork. Most vector programs will work for creating the artwork, but some common programs used in the sand carving industry are CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. With washout mask material, you will be using positives for your artwork. The artwork is one of the most important parts of the process. The higher the quality or density, the easier the rest of the process. Inkjet media can be used in inkjet printers. Vellum or Positive FX can be used in laser printers. Inkjet media will give you the highest quality artwork. The shiny side of the mask will be placed against the black mat, so the dull side will be facing up. The printed side of the artwork will be placed against the dull side of the mask. This is called emulsion to emulsion. The electrolyte is the most common exposure unit used by customers, but larger professional exposure units are available for big production runs. Exposure times will vary depending on the mask thickness and the age of the bulb. 3mm to 4mm mask can be exposed at approximately 25 to 40 seconds. 5mm mask can be exposed at approximately 45 to 60 seconds. After the mask has been exposed, it is time to develop with water. When developing the mask material, you can manually develop with a flat spray trigger jet, you can use a pressure washer with flat spray, or you can use an automated washout machine. Developing times will vary depending on the method used. When the mask is completely washed out, the image area will be clear with no color in the area that will be sand carved. A white background helps to see if your stencil is completely developed. Several methods can be used for drying the mask material: hang drying, shelf dryers with heat, or conveyor dryers for high production. It's important to keep dust off the mask material during the drying process. Dust particles can cause mask failure during the sand carving process. When the mask material is dry, you can apply the mask directly to your substrate, or you can apply the stencils to silicone-treated release paper. Release paper is used to store the masks for future use and to protect the adhesive from drying out. It is important to clean your substrate prior to applying the stencil. This will help remove any oils or residue and give more success during the sand carving process. Apply the mask sticky side down against your substrate. Self-adhesive mask material is pressure sensitive, so a squeegee can be used to apply pressure to the mask for adhesion to the substrate. When the mask is applied, the carrier is removed. A piece of tape can be used to help remove the carrier from the stencil. Once the carrier is removed, it is important to eliminate any trapped air bubbles in the mask. A wire wheel is a handy tool that will help relieve unwanted air in the mask. Masking tape is used to cover or protect any open areas from getting sandblasted. Sand carving your parts. Turn your sandblaster on. Adjust your sandblast pressure. Load your part into the sand carving machine. While sand carving, always hold your nozzle at 90 degrees. This will help eliminate mask liftup, which is caused by air getting under the mask during the sandblasting process. The longer you carve, the deeper the etch will be. Thicker mask material will allow for deeper sand carving. When you have completed sandblasting your substrate, you can use your air blow-off gun to remove grit particles from the substrate. To remove the mask material, you can dry peel the mask, or you can use water to speed up the removal process. Some large production facilities use industrial dishwashers to speed up the mask removal and clean the substrates in the process. Several methods can be used for paint filling. One method is spraying the substrate while leaving the stencil on the piece. When the entire etched area is paint filled, you can dry peel the mask. UltraPeel was designed for paint fill applications and is the mask material we recommend for any paint fill application.